Welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a great Monday. I am the Vortex Trader, and today we're on Euro Dollar. Let's get into it. All right, so what we are noticing, right, on the 4-hour time frame, we have price bouncing between this ascending trend line and this line of resistance up above, right? We can see that price is squeezing and squeezing and squeezing tighter and tighter. So we would be looking for a breakout and a retest of this pattern, right? Either to the upside or to the downside. So if we were looking for a downside break, it would look exactly the same as the upside break. However, it would be the opposite. Yes, just like this. Okay, and if we see that, right, we can see that this is clearly major support at the bottom right here. So our target would be that major support at the bottom right there. Right, guys, we got to keep it simple. Yes, simple and effective. But now let's jump to the daily time frame quickly so I can show you guys something pretty cool. Right, I'm going to delete this, just ignore this, ignore this, ignore this, ignore this, and ignore this, and ignore this, and ignore this. This is all from previous videos. So check it out, right? We can see that price on the daily time frame has been stuck trending downwards inside of quite a large daily channel. Now let me show you what I mean. Look at this. Look how price has been inside this channel perfectly, right? You see that? Every time price hits the bottom, we trend towards the top. Come again to the bottom and we trend towards the top, right? Bouncing around the middle, come to the top, come to the bottom. And now are we trending towards the top once again, right? We could be. This is why I'm mostly looking for a breakout targeting the upside, right? A bullish breakout. This is what I want to see. So let's jump back into the 4-hour. Right. Let's remove this pink colored channel for now. All right, so guys, this is what I'm looking for, right? We can see the MACD's MA lines are above the histogram. This is on the 4-hour, which does mean it is signifying a bit of a bullish trend, right? Okay. But I'm really targeting that breakout. I want that breakout because if I see, and only if I see a break and close above this strong resistance line, and guys, we can see this is a strong resistance line, right? We have been rejected off this line many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? This is the 7th attempt we are trying to break it, right? So if we do break it and close above it, and if we do have accompanying volume, right, that accompanies that break and close with that candle. If we see that candle close with a strong bar of volume, then I will be looking for a retrace back down to collect more liquidity, to collect more orders, right, in order to shoot this price upwards. Okay? And at the same time, if we see a break below, right, with strong volume to accompany this break and close below, which takes out all these wicks, right? We can see the bulls were added right here. To take out these wicks, then I would be looking for a retrace back up to this ascending trend line and then target this pair south. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm looking for right now. And personally, my bias on the 4-hour is bullish because we have seen bullish price action for a while, for the last 2 weeks, right? We have seen price being bullish and we are not coming as low. We are trying to break this line of resistance up above. Price is squeezing to try and break this resistance line. And I am cheering it on. I'm cheering this euro to break this line, right? This line, and I want it to close so I can jump in and have a nice long entry on the euro dollar. So guys, if you found this video helpful, if you find this information valuable, and if you find it helping on your journey to becoming a successful, profitable trader, then please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that little notification bell so you can be notified when we upload more content. I have posted the link to our website below in the description. Please check us out. And on that note, I will be bidding you all a fantastic 1st of August 2022. May you all have a great month. and I will be seeing you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you later.